Hello everyone, welcome to NRH channel. Dear students, in the last class we have completed the construction lessons. Today we'll discuss about the new topic, that is triangle. This lesson is very important for the examination. Since 4-5 years you are studying about the triangles, what is the triangles, types of the triangles, classification of the triangles based on their angles and the sides. In these topics, today we are going to study about what is congruent triangle and what is the similar figures and what are their examples. Then how can you identify either given figures are similar or not. Now we'll see just introduction about triangles here. Dear students, in the 9th standard you learn about the congruent. What is mean by congruent? The meaning of congruent is same shape and the same size. Similarity, same shape and the same size. Now see, definition of congruent is those figures have the same shape and the same size. For examples, two glasses of spect, two wheels of the same vehicle, two shaving blades of the same company, two biscuits of the same pockets, etc. etc. Or you can say that earrings, bangles, so many examples are there of the congruent. See the next, similar figures. Similar, see the difference here. Similar. Two circles are similar. If you draw the two circles of the different radii, we can say that is the similar. Two wheels of the different vehicles, tractor and car. Tractors having the big wheels, but cars having the small wheels, but both are looking the similar. We can't say that both are congruent, but both wheels are similar. Now see that similar figures are having the same shape. See the difference of the congruent and the similar. Similar figures are having the same shape but not necessary to have the same size. Not necessary to have the same size. Two circles are similar. Correct. Any circle, if the one circle having the radius 10 centimeter, another circle having the 5 centimeter, then you can say that both circles are similar. Both are same in the shape, but size are different. But need not to have the same size in the similar figure. See the different in the congruent, both figure having the same shape and same size, but in the similar, similar figures have the same shape but need not to have the same size. Not necessary to have the same size. Such figures are called as the similar. For examples, all circles are similar. All squares are similar because all squares having the each angle is 90 degree. Then all equilateral triangles are similar, but we cannot say that all equilateral triangles are congruent. Clear children? Now see the difference. You have to remember two concepts here. What is the congruent and what is the similar? Once again I will repeat here. Congruent figures are those figures having the same shape and same size. I told already so many examples are there. But in the similar figures having the same shape but not necessary to have the same size. Such figures are called as the similar. For examples of the similar figures here, bangles. See that you can say that all congruent figures are similar. Remember this very important point. All congruent figures are similar, but all similar figures are not a congruent. I hope you are understanding what I am saying. All congruent figures are similar, but all similar figures are not a congruent, because in the similar figures are having the only same shape but not necessary to have the same shape here. Now see here so many examples they given about. See that all congruent figures are similar but the similar figures need not be a congruent. See examples here they given here. Now see, when you go to the Photoshop, see a man having the 40 years old passport size photos, you know that, and stamp size photo, you know that. All photos, 10 stamp size photos, a man having the 40 years old and one child is 10 years old. If they are getting the photos of their passports, but see here passport size photos are equal, even the small child, even the elder. Now both are having the same passport size, but both ages are having the different. Correct. One is a child has 10 years old, but a elder person has 40 years old. So age are different, but passport size photos will be same. Then you can say that this is also examples of the similar here. Clear children? Now see, now one more very important. See that come to the polygon figures now. Now first you should know what is the polygon. Polygon is closed plane figure bounded by only line segment. Remember, a polygon is a closed plane figure bounded by only line segment. What are the examples of the polygon? Triangle, square, rhombus, parallelogram, rectangle, trapezium, kite, etc. etc. These all are the polygons now. Now, which is the smallest polygon? Triangle is the smallest polygon. The minimum 3 line segment required to make the polygon here now. Then there are so many types of the quadrilaterals are there: pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, etc. etc. But these all are the polygons now. See, when you can say that two polygons are similar, Now subheading you should write the what is the congruent subheading and definition I told. The next examples you have to write. Then similar subheading and examples of the similar definition and examples you have to write. Now see the next point you have to write here. See, when you can say that two polygons are similar, because a triangle, equilateral triangle is there, one scalene triangle is there. Now both triangles are having the different length. You cannot say that direct these two triangles are similar. See, when you can say that they having the condition, if they have the two conditions, means then you can say that both polygons are congruent. See, which are those conditions? See, you have to write the next point here. Polygon definition you have to write. Subheading polygon. A polygon is closed plane figure bounded by only line segment is called as the polygon. Example: triangle, rectangle, parallelogram, equilateral triangle, rhombus, trapezium, etc. etc. Now see the next point here. When you can say that two polygons are similar, two polygons of same number of sides. See, we can say that if the two polygons have the same number of sides are similar, both should have the same number of sides. Means one polygon having the 3 sides, another polygon having the 4 sides, we cannot say that both are similar. Now, what condition they should have that? Now, both polygons should have the same sides, same number of sides. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar. Now, see what are the two conditions here? If first condition, their corresponding angles are equal. Their corresponding angles are equal. You know that a triangle having the 3 angles, quadrilateral having the 4 angles. Now see that two polygons, if the two quadrilaterals are similar, means their corresponding angles are equal. This angle is 60 degree, there also 60 degree, one angle should be 60 degree. Here one angle is 90 degree, there should be also one angle is 90 degree. One angle is here 80 degree, there also one angle is 80 degree. Now first condition is their corresponding angles are equal. Now second condition is are equal and their corresponding sides are same ratio. This is very important. Their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, not same side. Here 3 centimeter, so not 3 centimeter only. Corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Either one side is 3 centimeter, there 9 centimeter. Now 3 by 9, how much? 1 by 3. Here 4 centimeter and there are 12. It means that what 4 by 12? 4 ones are 4 3s are 12. Now there also 1 by 3, here also 1 by 3. Now these are the corresponding sides. Corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Now remember children, see what are the conditions. See that you have tried the point. Two polygons of the same number of sides are similar. Now first condition, if they have corresponding angles are equal. When you can say that its corresponding angles are equal. Second condition is their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Then you can say that two polygons are similar. Now in the next class we will discuss about what is the examples of these two similar polygons. Clear children? I hope you understood. These are all points you have to write and you have to read. You have to practically memorize these all points. Then you can easily understand the next concept here. Now thank you for children for watching. Have a nice day.